Yeah. But
Okay.
speaking of long processes and all that, and just like that comes to mind. Like there's definitely times it's a lot harder to sell stuff and all that. In terms of real estate and all that, have you ever had many hardships or anything that's like been like how many like giant problems you ran into and how you kind of overcame them?
Okay, so recently I had someone who was looking to rent a home, and she was really, really excited to rent this home. And unfortunately, someone else came in and they decided to um, rent the home faster. Then she wasn't moving fast enough. And so the home got taken. So it was really hard to kind of break that news because she was really excited for that home. So that's the most painful thing is like when the client isn't really on their game, like you are, but you're fighting for your client. So that's pretty hard. Um, but it comes with it. So, and I make all my clients aware of that. If you don't jump on it, someone else will. So that's the hardest part.